Hello, hi, my name is Sushmita, and in today's video, I'll be talking about that things we should be proud of. Okay, so the first thing is that uh, I I make sure that I always follow my heart, not the crowds. So here, what I mean to say is, like, of course, you have to take other people's opinion, but everyone have their gut feeling and that gut instincts from that comes from inside. So you have to listen that and follow your heart. What we feel, that is 100% right for ourselves, not others what they are telling us to do. So it's not like that I don't consider other people's opinion. I do consider their opinion as well, but others means only my family and the loved one, like people who are close to me. I only consider them, not other crowds. So the second thing is, I always accept my feelings. Some days I feel bad, some days I am very low. I don't want to do anything, I just want to sleep for a day. Not for a day, obviously, like for continuous 9 9-10 hours, and I am not at all shameful for that. Yeah, i I accept myself that sometimes I do things wrong which I am not supposed to do. So yeah, and third thing is that you are responsible for the decision you take or the decision which you make. So for me, I decide what's right for me, and obviously my parents also do that, but most of the time I take my own decision. And yes, I am proud of it, because whatever decision I take, I make sure to give 100% on that. Yeah, and the things don't goes right, so I am the responsible person for that decision and no one else. Don't blame anyone, because in the end I know that decision was mine and I'm the person who has made this decision. So yeah, fourth thing is, whatever happens, I choose myself always. Like, there is no second option for me. The meaning of this is that I always prioritize. You have to always prioritize your happiness, your values, and your well-being, making decisions that are true to who you are, even if they go against others' expectations. So the next thing is, I listen to my body, means paying attention to physical and emotional signals like hunger and pain or stress. And yes, you have to respond with care and nourishment as needed to your body, not to ignore them, because we know whatever happens with our body, we are pretty aware of it, like, and we are responsible, because healthy body gives us confidence, you know give a, gives us confidence, gives us strength, and so you have to take care of it rather than ignoring it. I speak my truth means expressing your honest thoughts, feelings openly, and authentically, even that is difficult or different from others' opinion. I appreciate little things, means finding joy and gratitude in small moments, like very simple, a small warm cup of tea and someone smiles, you know recognizing that these simple things add pleasure to your happiness to your life. I am trying my best, means putting a genuine efforts when things aren't perfect. It's just a kind reminder to yourself what you can with the energy resources you have at the moment. So the next thing is that I trust myself, which means whenever you make the decision, you are confident that this is going to be happen. Trusting in myself means you are trusting in your abilities, you are trusting your wisdom, like your inner wisdom. It means that you can handle any challenge, you can handle any stress, you can handle any situation. And again, trusting yourself means that you have that trust in you that you will be making a right choice for yourself. Next thing is I choose kindness, means I always make sure that I don't disrespect others. This also means that deciding to treat others and yourself with understanding and respect. I choose kindness also means that making efforts with lead with empathy and care. So the next thing is last but not least, that I never give up, which means considering all the things which I have explained, you have that confidence in you that you will never give up in any tough situation. It's a commitment to yourself that you are keep going, like whatever challenges comes, you will overcome that challenge no matter what happens. It's the commitment to keep going, growing and learning, staying determined and resilient even things get tough. So yeah, with this I will end with my video. Hope you like my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.